Hello, good morning. I wanted to talk about the different things that nodes can do in the Millenium project. And I am originally from Venezuela, and then we coordinate things with other nodes in Latin America. We have nodes in Mexico, Brazil, Argentina, Chile, Peru, Colombia, Ecuador, and almost all of the region. And then we work together because we basically have the advantage that we have one or two languages. You know, we have Spanish and Portuguese, which are almost the same. I guess that Portuguese and Spanish are like maybe Macedonian and Montenegrin. They are very, very close. Not as close as Serbian and Montenegrin, which are almost the same, but close enough. So we work together in different things, like in Southeast Europe, you will be doing with the people from Slovenia, from Serbia, from Macedonia, and so on and so forth. So we translate the State of the Future in Spanish. This is, for example, the CD-ROM version. We also print it as a book, but we translate it and make it available in internet, in CD-ROMs. We also work on the State of the Future Index for Latin America. I coordinate that project. So we compared all of the Latin American countries from Mexico in the north down to Argentina and Chile. And we compared ourselves to North America, to the USA and Canada. So that is a very interesting comparison. You might want to do the same in the Balkans or in Southeast Europe and compare yourself maybe to Western Europe, to Germany and France, for example. We also created courses, university classes about futures studies. So we have in two universities in Venezuela, we have a futures studies courses where we use the methodologies from the Millenium project that are here. So this is a fantastic resource. It has all the methodologies on futures studies. This is a peer-reviewed, compiled by the Millenium project, so we use this. We also have a lot of impact through the media. We publish articles in the press, in the newspapers. We have TV programs, like I have been recently in two Discovery Channel programs and in one History Channel coming up soon. So we try to popularize the ideas about the future. This is important, especially for the young people. And because we emphasize about young people, especially university students, we created a national university contest where students have to think about the future. And they write about one of the 15 global challenges that you might remember from before. All the challenges that Jerome Glenn was speaking about. There are somewhere there, from 1 to 15. So basically, the students take a challenge every year, and they have to say what might happen and what is the impact in their country and in the world. And those students that win, we give them scholarships to go to the annual meeting of the Millenium Project and the World Future Society. So I think this is very important, because if you can convince a young person, someone between 20 and 25, about the opportunities of the future and the importance of thinking long term, they can change their life, they can change their country, they can change the world. So basically those are some of the things that we do with the nodes, and a lot of coordination with the Latin American nodes and some other countries. So Jerry, back on stage for you. For some comments, questions.